Welcome to this guided meditation that will help you align with your inner being. Begin by finding a comfortable and quiet space where you can sit or lie down without distractions. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Allow your body to relax, releasing any tension with each breath. This is your time to connect with your higher self, the part of you that is always in tune with the divine. Imagine a stream of pure positive energy flowing down from the universe, entering the top of your head and filling your entire body with light. This is the energy of Source, the originator and creator of the universe, an energy that is always present and available to you. Feel this light moving through you, filling you with love, peace, and a deep sense of well-being. Your inner being is the part of you that is always aligned with Source, always feeling joy and abundance. Imagine now that you are merging with this part of yourself, the part that knows you are worthy, loved, and infinitely capable. Feel yourself aligning with this energy, letting go of resistance or negative thoughts. Know that as you align with your inner being, you align with the flow of life, with the ease and abundance that are your natural state. As you remain connected to your inner being, invite the wisdom of the divine into your consciousness. Imagine that you are one with all that is. Ask any questions you have, and then simply listen. You may hear words, see images, or just feel a deep sense of knowing. Trust that whatever comes to you is the perfect message for you at this moment. Now, slowly bring your awareness back to your body. With your eyes still closed, bring your hands together in front of your chest. And let's join together in reciting 3 ohms. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, chant the sound of Om, allowing the vibration to resonate through your entire being. Inhale. Let the sound connect you even deeper to your inner being and to the divine energy around you. As you begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment, know that you can carry this feeling of alignment and connection with you throughout your day. Take a deep breath in, feeling gratitude for the time you've spent in meditation, and slowly exhale, grounding yourself back into your body. Now, whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing this sense of peace and alignment with you as you move forward. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. May you carry this sense of peace and connection with you always. Namaste.